Hi dears, good morning. Warm welcome to Ideal and Others Matriculation High Secondary School online class. Subject EVS, Standard First, Term First, Unit number 1. In last class, we discussed about living things. Can you able to give the answer for my questions? Say some examples of living things. Plants, trees, cat, dog, human, etc. Have you completed the homework? See this. Check the answer. Do you know about non-living things? Say some examples. Good. Book, doll, car, bus, ball, teddy, pencil, pen, etc. Today we are going to discuss about non-living things. What is mean by non-living things? Things which can grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called living things. Things which cannot grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called non-living things. They do not have any kind of life in them. Examples: rocks, buckets, water, etc. Non-living things do not need air, nutrients, water, sunlight and shelter. Non-living things. Non-living things do not eat, do not grow, do not breathe, do not have young ones, do not feel, do not move. Look at the picture. Use the first letter to get the words cat and dog. In this first row, what is the first picture? Car. First letter C. Second picture aeroplane. First letter A. Third picture table. First letter T. Now we have the letters C, A, T. Cat. In this second row, what is the first picture? Doll. First letter D. Second picture oil. First letter O. Third picture gate. First letter G. Now we have the letters D, O, G. Dog. Dialogue. Ram and Sara. Ram is crying. Sara, what happened? Why are you crying? Ram, my teddy bear is not eat anything. I am giving him chocolate, but it is not eating. Sara, but teddy bear don't eat anything. Ram, but why do they not eat anything? Sara, oh, because they are non-living things. Ram, but we eating. See, my little pet Jimmy is eating. Sara, because you, me and animals are living things. Ram, living things, non-living things. I don't understand. Sara, okay, let's understand. Okay dears, come let's learn about difference between living things and non-living things. Living things can eat, but non-living things cannot eat. Living things can breathe, but non-living things cannot breathe. Living things can grow, non-living things cannot grow. Living things can feel, but non-living things cannot feel. Living things have young ones, but non-living things cannot produce their young ones. Living things can move from one place to another, but non-living things cannot move. Examples of living things: plant, tree, birds, etc. Examples of non-living things: car, bus, table, TV, etc. This is your time. Listen carefully after you tell the answer. Look at the picture. Can you see a mountain, a river, a pond and a lake? Yes. Mountains are made up of rocks and soil. The river, pond and lake are full of water. Soil and water help plants to grow. We get our food from plants. We breathe air. Air, water and soil are non-living things. Can we live without them? You think and tell the answer. Very good. We cannot live without air, water and soil. Observe the picture of life in water. This is the sea. There are so many living things in it. In this picture, we find so many living things inside the sea. One example, fish. Fish is a living thing. Water is not a living thing. But fish need water for their living. Observe the picture. Differentiate the living things from non-living things. Give reasons. I will give 10 seconds. Are you find it? Living things, tree, human, dog, cow, goat are the living things because they can grow, they can move, they can breathe, they can feel, they can produce their young ones. Non-living things, house, bullock, cycle, pot, bench are the non-living things because they cannot grow, they cannot move, they cannot breathe, they cannot feel, they cannot produce their young ones. Look at this picture. Tick the living things. Parrot, box, key, saw, bucket, man, broom, horse, mixie. Do it, dears. Are you find it? Good. Rhyme time. Are you ready? Fly like an eagle in the sky. Fly like an eagle in the sky. Jump like a dolphin in the sea. Jump like a dolphin in the sea. Travel like a crab in the river sand. Travel like a crab in the river sand. Sky, sea and sand are non-living, where eagle, dolphin and crab are found. Sky, sea and sand are non-living, where eagle, dolphin and crab are found. It is living or non-living things. Look at the first picture. What is this? Butterfly. Does it grow? Yes. Does it breathe? Yes. Does it move? Yes. Does it produce young ones? Yes. What food does it eat? Honey. So, butterfly is a living thing. See the next picture. What is this? Tree. Does it grow? Yes. Does it breathe? Yes. Does it move from one place to another? No. Does it produce their young ones? Yes. What food does it need? Water, sunlight, air. So, tree is a living thing. See the last picture. What is this? Bag. Does it grow? No. Does it breathe? No. Does it move? No. Does it produce young ones? No. Does it need food? No. So, bag is a non-living thing. I hope you understand this topic clearly. Today's homework. Write any 5 living things and non-living things. Thank you all.